Hi guys, welcome back. In today's lesson we're going to look at using a range of materials to show two-digit numbers. Here are some of the materials we have in our classroom that we can use to show two-digit numbers. These are called bundling sticks. They're very similar to paddle pop sticks and how we bundle them to show two-digit numbers. These blocks over here, they are called MAB blocks, and this is called an abacus. And with this we use beads on these spikes to show two-digit numbers. So let's start looking at how we can use these materials to make a two-digit number. Let's start by using some bundling sticks. So the number that I want to make today is 42. Alright, let's see how we would do that. So remembering back to the lessons that we've seen previously, that this shows me that that is a bundle of 10. So I can count in tens if they're bundled together like that. So that would be 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so now I have made this part of my number, the 40, now I need to make 2. So that would be the loose ones. 1, 2. So that's how we use bundling sticks to make a two-digit number. Here is my 40 and here is my 2. Okay, this time I've already used bundling sticks to make a two-digit number. I want you to help me out with figuring out what number I have made. Okay? So pause the video here, see if you can work out what two-digit number I'm showing here. Okay, welcome back. Alright, so I've got two bundles here of 10, so I can count in tens. 10, 20, so I know the first digit's going to be the 2, and then I have 1, 2, 3 ones. So that would be my second digit, which comes after the 2. So remembering that this is the tens column and this is the ones column. So I have made the number 23. Is that what you got? Great. Okay, let's start looking at some other materials we can use. These are called MAB blocks. Okay, and this here is showing me 110. And the reason that is because if we count each little square in there, it has 10 stuck together. So that represents 10, and this of course is our ones. Okay, I want to make the number 44. Okay, let's start with the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so I have my 40. There's my 4 tens to make 40. Now I need to work out my ones. If I look at the ones column, I need 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is 44. That's how we use MABs to make two-digit numbers. Okay, what two-digit number have I made here with these MABs? Remembering that not all numbers are going to have ones. So let's count. Remembering this is 10, so I can count in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So the number I have created is the number 60. So that's 6 tens and 0 ones. Remember, this is our tens column and this is our ones column. There are no ones, so that's why I have the number 0 there. So that's the number 60. Okay, this is called an abacus. So it's spikes that represent the column. So this is the ones column and the next one is the tens column. And we place beads on there to show two-digit numbers. Okay, so what I do is I count how many ones I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 ones, and then I count how many in my tens column. 1, 2, 3. So remembering that that's worth 10. So if I count it in tens, 10, 20, 30. Okay, so I have 3 in the tens column and 4 in the ones column. The number I have made is 34. Okay guys, here's another abacus. This time I want to make the number 14 on the abacus. Here are the beads that I can use. Remember, this is my tens column and this is my ones column. If I'm looking at my number 14 over here, in the ones column there is 4. So I would put 4 beads, drop them down onto the spike. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I have 110. So I'd put that into the tens column, and that's what the number 14 would look like on an abacus. Okay guys, well, we have all these materials sitting on our maths shelves that you can use to create 2-digit numbers. Head back on over to the wiki to check out what your practice tasks are for creating 2-digit numbers with different materials.